Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the BMW M3 GTR in CarX Street. First, you need to acquire the correct BMW model within the game. This is the foundational step for your replica build. Make sure you have enough in-game currency to cover all the necessary modifications and upgrades. Choosing the right base car is absolutely essential for achieving an authentic M3 GTR look and feel. Next, focus on the visual customization to truly transform your vehicle. Apply the specific widebody kit that mimics the M3 GTR's aggressive stance. Then, select the iconic blue and white livery, which is instantly recognizable. Don't forget to choose the correct wheel design and tire sizes to complete the authentic exterior. These details are vital for a perfect visual match. Now, let's dive into the performance upgrades to match the M3 GTR's legendary power. Maximize your engine's horsepower to achieve thrilling acceleration and speed. Tune the suspension system to ensure precise handling and stability, especially during high-speed maneuvers. Finally, adjust the transmission settings for quick gear shifts and an impressive top speed. These enhancements will make your car perform like the real deal. To finalize your build, pay attention to the smaller aesthetic details, such as spoilers and decals, to perfect the look. Once everything is set, take your custom M3 GTR for a test drive. This allows you to make any final adjustments to its performance or appearance. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy cruising the streets in your iconic replica.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.